So today we're going to talk about the Mercedes-Benz key fob. This key is found in many of the 2019 Mercedes-Benz or newer models, previously also found in E-Classes 2017 and newer. So on the key we can find the lock button and unlock button. We can also find the trunk, and we can also find the emergency button in case you want to locate your vehicle. Some of the other features when you have what's called the keyless go feature is that when you press and hold the unlock or open button, when you're approximately at least 5 feet from the vehicle, press and hold it, and you can automatically lower all the windows and open up the sunroof. In case you would also like to close it, you will basically press and hold the lock or close button within the same distance. It will lock on the vehicle, power fold the mirrors if the vehicle has it, and close the sunroof and all the windows all the way until the end.